You guys know that I love to make a fool of myself.
What on earth are you doing?
But because of spending so much time at home because of the pandemic, I started to ask myself the question, how could I make more money whilst being at home? And I came up with a fantastic idea, and it was all about singing Happy Birthday. Yes, I'm a professional opera singer. That's my go-to job. I wanted to share with you today what it entails. So I'm going to press the stopwatch on soon. So enjoy this video and let's start the clock. 3, 2, 1. Is it on? Yes, it's on. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. The Happy Birthday Opera Dude is the name that I go by. Singing happy birthdays from noon to night. The days just fly by. But my bank account is looking a little bit better from all these silly endeavours. Internet shoppers looking for a unique gift that their loved one can treasure. But how can you earn some extra money online? Let's get the ideas flowing. Don't steal my happy birthday idea. It's mine. Only joking. I'm going to put on my white tie and tails, which are in here, which is one of the gig extras. So I think it's an extra $10 for me to dress up in my beautiful white tie and tails white suit, I guess. So that's step number 1. Right, I'm in my very casual attire. Let's see what it looks like when I'm a bit dressed up. A little bit looser before lockdown, I think. But anyway, I can get them on. How long has it been so far? I'm just keeping an eye on the clock. 4 minutes. That's why I charged the extra $10. So this is where the complexities began. Since I'm kind of refurbing the living room and certainly moving things around, finding the right camera angle took quite a long time. With help from my wife, making things a lot easier. This is probably where it became most stressful. But hopefully in normal circumstances, the camera will be in one place and that would be that. Right, so this guy's name is Jackson. I try to do it in one take when possible just to keep timing down, which means often it's not particularly perfect. This is a very special message for Jackson. Happy birthday, Jackson. I hope you have a fantastic day. Now I have the distinct honour and privilege of wishing you a very happy operatic birthday. It's really hard. This is a very special... There was no way that I was going to get this done in one take, particularly as the piano was facing a different direction, so I wasn't able to look and sing into the camera at the same time, which presented some challenges. But I managed to get it done in a third take, which added a lot of extra time to this project. But there we go, the trials and tribulations of the side hustle. So it's now the following day. I'm in the editing studio. I don't have an editing studio. The piano is just over there. You should subscribe to the Art of Money Saving.
You should subscribe to the Art of Money Saving. You should subscribe to the Art of Money Saving.
If you want to hear a high note, you have to pay me. Normally, you sing it, you edit it, boom, boom, boom. So it's a bit more laborious today, and I've got to go back to work now and do something. So I'm going to check in with you later on. Bye. So I've managed to edit it in about 6 or 7 minutes, so that's pretty good. So just waiting for the file to export, and then I'm going to deliver it and give you an update of how long the whole process took. Hopefully it's going to be under 40 minutes. But Fiverr takes a 20% commission, so I think about $30 is probably $30 is then $26. It's about, like, say, £20 for around hopefully 40 minutes of work. So not all that bad, considering it's pretty fun, although there's some frustrating moments, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, hardest work sometimes finding the file, even though you've just exported it. I have so many of these on my computer. I wonder one day it's gonna break. hopefully they will leave a review, which then also, of course, like anything with an algorithm, helps you be seen by other people. So stopwatch. And there we go, 39 minutes, 37 seconds. So that's the job done. Took about twice as long as what it should have taken. I think for the future, if the equipment is in the same place, which, to be honest, is quite difficult because I work from my desk. What is tricky is you want to do the best for the customers. You want to use the nice microphone and just make it look as professional as possible. Whereas actually in this order, they didn't pay for the professional microphone, so I could have used my cell phone. That certainly would have been a lot quicker. So trial and error with these side hustles. You've got to see how much time something really takes you. So it's just a good lesson to time yourself. And with myself, I'm quite fussy about how things sound, how things look, so I end up spending far too much time. So it's good to be disciplined and just do it and send it off. Subscribe. You should today. For if you do not, you will pay. There you go. Bye-bye.